What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. And today I'm here you guys with that second unboxing that I had. I've been waiting on the shoe for over a month as well, or not over a month, but close to a month. But it's this nigga that I needed, and I might as well go and tell you now. It's another Air Jordan 11. Since y'all clicked on the video, I at least give y'all the honor of knowing it's the Air Jordan 11 at the beginning of the video. But if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now and ring that notification bell for your boy, man. Boom, get right into this unboxing, man. Let's get it. All right, again, we got the box cutter, man. And here we have the package. It's gonna be my first initial reaction, man. I was tempted to pick these and open up yesterday, but I didn't, to show y'all my reaction, to show you how I really feel about the sneaker. Cause I feel like that's what people, you know what I'm saying, you wanna get that genuine reaction to how somebody likes the shoes, and we'll get right into it, man. Let's open the box. I don't want to cut too deep, man. Might cut the box open. The shoe box. Alright. Gotta get right into it. Let's get it. Okay, and here we have it, man. Just from looking at the top of the box, y'all should know what it is. Well, not really, because it's like, what, 3-4 of the shoes that came out with this box. Here you have it right here. Check out that front box right here, man. Just from looking at the top of the box, I know I don't like the shoe, man, but check that out real quick. And we're gonna get into this shoe now. We got into the box, we gotta get into the shoe, man. Set that right there. And here you go, 360 on the box right here. Check that out. Check that out, man. Very nice box, very nice touch to the shoe. And from the looks of this came from Champ Sports. But I did get this shoe from StockX. Like I said, I love StockX. I just like how they do things. The prices are better than GOAT in my opinion. That's really why I like the GOAT or the StockX app over the GOAT app, because better prices. And I kind of trust StockX more than I trust GOAT. But the official colorway for these was binary blue, and sale, and it retail for $200, man. And I had bought these shoes early, but like I said, it takes forever for a shoe to get over here. It's all the stuff I got to go through with getting an early shoe. But here you go, check out that size tag, size 9.5. I always go up a half a size in my Air Jordan 11 lows. I don't know why, but we're gonna get right into it, man. Let's go. Ooh, that StockX stuff rolling out. Got the StockX receipt right here. And then you get this right here. You know how it come. And then you get the StockX sticker. I got so many of these StockX stickers now, it don't even make no sense, man. There you go. And we're gonna peel these things open. 1 layer, 2 layer, and bam, then we have them right there, Air Jordan 11. Uh-oh. I'm gonna drop the damn shoe. Air Jordan 11 Jeter Respect 2, whatever you want to call them, lows, man. There you have it. First, look at the shoe. First look. Show you how I feel about them. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not liking these more than the Air Jordan 11 Blackouts that I unboxed yesterday, y'all. Still a nice shoe. Still a nice shoe, but this don't give me that first initial reaction that I got from the Air Jordan 11 Blackouts. But this is still a dope shoe. But check that out. Air Jordan 11 Jeter Respect. And the quality on these things is very, very nice. I was not expecting this dope quality on here. You got the 2 on the back. And you see right here, just look at the back of the shoe. That is part of the suede on the upper, on the outsole right there. So this shoe, like durability wise, I don't know how long these are gonna last. So I might as well start beating these things up now or getting some good wears out of them. But here you have it, man. And actually come with the plastic, what's that called, shoe trees or whatever. I'm really feeling the shoe, but like I said, I'm not liking them more than I like those Air Jordan 11 Blackouts. I'm gonna grab them real quick. All right, here you have it, Air Jordan 11 Blackouts, and you have the Air Jordan 11 Jeter Respect lows, man. So out of these two, which one y'all like? Y'all let me know. The video that I had for the Air Jordan 11s, where I want to ask y'all questions on how you felt about them, I want to incorporate these in there as well. So y'all stay tuned for that video. We're going to talk about Jordan Brand and the shit they've been doing lately. So let's put these away real quick and take a look at these beauties again. Give you a nice round view. It came with this right here. Like I said, that blue is really bleeding onto the outsole, onto that midsole. It's a very deep suede, like hella furry. Like, I ain't gonna lie, these shits is hella furry, bro. You can tell by them little brush strokes right there. And I don't know which laces I'm a rock, you know what I'm saying? I don't know which ones I am going to keep with, but damn, man, that blue is bleeding onto that midsole right there, as you can see. I don't know, but here you go, Air Jordan 11 Jeter Respect lows. Here go the box. I think the box really just capped it off, man. Very, very dope box right here, I must say. And this shoe is dope as hell as well. And I had to buy them. I had them early for y'all. So y'all let me know if y'all want me to do like a quick review and then on feet for y'all. Y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for them on feet, bro. I'm trying to do a little something different, you feel me? But that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe. Ring the notification bell for your boy. I will be going live tomorrow for the Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jack 4s and the Mellow 2s. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cop both, but I know I'm gonna try to cop both, but who knows, man, who knows? But definitely for sure, those Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jack is a must cop, bro. I need them. I need them. So still, guys, please help your boy. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The links will be in the description box below. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.